Hey everyone, it appears that the drone hobby does have a friend or two out there. Stay tuned to find out how the Airprox Reality Check group are doing their bit to ensure just the facts are reported. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. As we previously reported, here in the UK, there is an officially backed body called the Airprox Board. This board sits to discuss the near-miss situations with aircraft in the UK airspace and reach determinations. You will remember them from some of our previous stories, including when a 777 crew spotted what was then reported as a drone 20 feet from the wing of their aircraft at some 6,000 feet. Now enter the group Airprox Reality Check, who describe themselves as Airprox Reality Check was formed as a response to the misrecording of drone airproxes in the UK and the resulting economic and societal damage this is causing. The intention of Airprox Reality Check is that it will provide a necessary filtering mechanism to ensure that drone airprox reports are subject to proper scrutiny before being recorded. Only then will the drone airprox figures move towards being a reliable indicator. Recently, they have published a release which reports on a Freedom of Information request sent to the Airprox board. The release states, following a Freedom of Information Act request, the UK Airprox board, the official body which collates airprox near-miss reports from pilots, has revealed that there is no proof that a drone has ever flown close to an aircraft in UK skies. The UK Airprox board also revealed there is no confirmation that a drone has ever even been involved in any of the 350 plus drone airprox reports they've had to publish to date. The Freedom of Information response itself said, in all cases, UCAB has no confirmation that a drone has flown close to an aircraft other than the reports made by the pilots. Similarly, other than from the report of the pilots, UCAB has no confirmation that a drone was involved. Simon Dale of Airprox Reality Check said, we have the crazy situation where completely unproven, unscrutinised UFO reports, which often describe drones as being spotted at altitudes and locations that are impossible, have been used by the government to drive regulation, as if they were solid, proven facts. They are in fact totally uncorroborated eyewitness accounts and are generally based on the simple errors of perception to which humans are prone. In several cases, we have shown that the object observed was in fact a manned aircraft in the distance, not a drone at all. The government is midway through introducing legislation based on this now discredited data. Given that it is now clear that the drone airprox reports are entirely unproven and in the vast majority of cases entirely bogus, the government must recognise the huge mistake it has made and cancel the proposed regulations before they do irreparable harm to the drone industry. Strong words indeed, and although it is great to see a group sticking up for the hobby and industry we all love, it should perhaps be recognised that no evidence of a crime does not mean the crime did not take place. However, with 350 incidents reported and zero evidence of an actual drone, it will be interesting if Airprox Reality Check's call for the UK government to halt the current legislative process will be listened to. Either way, this is a developing story and we'll keep you fully informed in future videos. Did you know that IBM are giving away 1,500 DJI drones? Click here to watch the report and find out how to enter their competition.
Please remember to like and subscribe.